Hey everyone. So welcome to my Walk the Talk. Today we have Ms. Apuba Joshi, our guest, an upcoming energy analyst. So welcome Apuba.
Prithviraj.
So we will discuss about is being your real self the best strategy in professional settings. So what do you think that is being your real self means at work?
Being your real self at work means behaving in a way you truly feel. The way it should be able to reflect your values, your personality, and just doing the things which truly matter to you, not just to impress someone. This is what being real self means.
So what is authenticity in this?
Well, authenticity is that, well, I can give you an example. If I'm working in a team and I believe in teamwork, so not just to impress someone, I cannot act competitive all of a sudden. If I believe in teamwork, I will do the teamwork. This is what it means.
Okay. So what are the other approaches rather than being authentic at work?
You should be authentic because authenticity always helps in the long run. But you should have the balanced approach. Like for example, you should always take care of the environment. If you are with your senior managers, you should behave formally. But if you are with your teammates, you can be little informal. But at the same time, you should always keep in your mind that you do not hurt someone else's feelings, and you should be able to put your thoughts clearly. For example, if I do not agree with someone's idea, I won't say I don't like it, but I can say I have something to add on to this, and you can do better than this. So this is what is a balance, is a better approach.
So, can you think that being authentic in work ever be harmful to us?
It can be because, for example, if I don't like someone's work, I cannot be rude to that person. It might hurt his or her feelings, and I can always say that I do not like it, but I can put it in a better way. So you should not be unfiltered. You should always put a little filter in the professional setting.
So, do you think that companies value authentic people?
Companies do value authentic people because if you are honest to your work, if you are honest to your teammates, you will definitely deliver the better performance. For example, if I am not able to do something, I can say that let's push this deadline, rather than just beating around the bush and delivering something which is not good. So it will help the whole company, not just me.
So, how can we be authentic and professional at the same time?
We can always be authentic as well as professional, because if I'm fake, I cannot be fake for a very long time. If I believe in something, my personality is something which I have grown into, because our values is something we believe since our childhood. So we cannot be fake for so long, and we should always be ready to learn. But at the same time, we should always take care of our inner self, and through that only we can deliver the best performance for the company.
So, what is your final remark on being the real version of yourself?
My final remark should be that you should be authentic, and it should not be about, rather than being your real self, or being authentic, not being authentic, but you should be the best version of yourself. You should be honest, and you should be true to yourself and to your environment. By doing that only, you can be a good, you can have a better career, and you can grow as a better person.
Okay. So, thank you.